What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. This shipped from, it says DIN. I don't know where Dinsmore, Dingleberry, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other ones. Not sponsored by what's in here, but hey, appreciate you. This right here is Fozzy Judas. This is one of their newest albums. I'm a big wrestling fan, and I got this for a buddy who I work with. Yeah, I'm pretty hyped about it. I'm not going to open it up and listen to it because it's my buddy's brand new one. But it includes Judas, Drinking with Jesus, Painless, Weight of My World, Wordsworth Way, Burn Me Out, 3 days in Jail, Elevator, Running with the Bulls, Capsize, and Wolves at Bay. There's a good chance in 2021 that I will be seeing Fozzy live. Pretty excited, and I hope that works out. Hopefully we can all get through COVID and all that garbage. If you want to help support my channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Use my username as your coupon code, London Hawthorne, on sites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirts of choice. You'll save like $3 off each shirt. Thanks so much for watching my videos. If you want to just share my videos, notification bell, click that, hit subscribe, and check out my other thousands of videos. Have a great day, and let me know what you think of this album.